from what I understand, this consultation is looking at various things like raising the age for social media use, limiting the addictive design features like the endless scrolling, enforcing stricter age checks, or looking at total bans like Australia have done. And I think when I first saw this, and I know lots of mums I know are really encouraging of this total ban, and I totally understand that, you know, we know that people are being radicalised online, whether that's young boys viewing manosphere content and sexist content. And apparently it takes something like, according to Laura Bates, amazing author who looked into it, it's like 7 seconds before a teenage boy is introduced to some form of sexist, harmful content. So it's really frightening. But then, interestingly, I saw a post by Good Law Project, who I follow and I really respect, and they said they're going to fight this tooth and nail. So I was really intrigued to know their side of things. And they are saying that legacy media is being bought up by billionaires, and social media is a tool that allows those who are deplatformed to get other news cycles out. So if you're living somewhere where you're not allowed to talk about things, or we've seen with various conflicts around the world, it's not really being covered in mainstream media. Social media allows you to kind of see what's going on, but also apparently the evidence for mental health benefits is quite weak at the moment. So there is no research that shows less social media use is linked to mental health. Then they're saying that also the age verification actually doesn't work because it already exists. So they introduced age verification as part of the online safety law that came in, and they found an increased use in VPN use. And they're saying that, like, digital natives, as in the young who grew up around social media, they're not stupid, and actually they'll either get onto it anyway, or worse, they'll move into, like, encrypted and underground platforms where we actually don't know what messaging is out there. And then I suppose from my side, I would say that social media isn't like cigarettes, which we know are harmful, like inherently bad. So whilst there are lots of terrible things that are happening on social media, there's lots of good things as well.